Hi, I'm Danny with Revolution Machine Tools. Today, I want to show you our S-FAB CDM 2132. CDM stands for column dual miter. 2132 is the rectangular cutting capability of this saw. This is a dual miter saw that goes 60 degrees to the back, 45 degrees to the front. It's got an 1.5 inch blade, carbide inserts for accurate cutting. It's a downward pressure column saw. So you can select your material type, and it has material sensing, so it knows how much pressure to put on your cuts. With having that 1.5 inch blade, you're able to really tear through some material. This one has optional hold down vise for if you were cutting bundles or multiple pieces and you needed to keep pressure down. It's got a hydraulic vise that the guide will move. So if you were cutting something a little bit smaller on it, it comes down. Very easy to move. We have our hydraulic brake that'll lock the saw out. Then there is a safety on it, so you actually have to have the vise touching. Saw has variable speed. It's coming down pretty quick because it's not sensing material in it, but it makes it so that you are able to raise the saw up all the way, start your cuts, and then feed through the material pretty quick. Hydraulic bow up as well. So obviously you wouldn't want to be lifting a saw this size. But if you'd like to see some more information on it, check us out at www.rmtus.com or give us a call.